Okay, let's talk about erasing files using tables in Excel. Just as a quick example, we're going to open up several models. And just to show you there's nothing under the sleeve here. This is just doing a standard model open for these 4 parts. So we're going to open those up, and let's just run those just so you can kind of see what that does. So it's going to open each model and set it as active. So as you can see here, we have in session these 4 models. Now we're going to take we're going to get just some of those and write them to a table so that we can erase just those items. So I'm going to say, let's say get models. Let's see, what is it? Get files, I think it is. There we go. Get files. And let's say that we want the PLA star.prt files, and we want to write those to my table. Okay. So if we run this, you can see it's just going to open those files up again, and it's doing a query of what's in session, and it's just simply generating this table of items here. Now, let's say that we wanted to erase those items referencing that table from memory. So if we enter in a erase table erase file, and in this case, we're going to use the table reference for my table as an input to that function. And when we run this, you'll notice that it goes through and it opens up all the files, writes the table. And then if we take a look in session now, we only see the 2 files that are left because these 2 files here have been removed. Now, if we, let's say, start off with an assembly like this, and I'm going to comment out all of these operations. I'm going to comment out the get files and everything. And we're just going to say erase the content from what is currently in session. Now, those models are actually children of this assembly. So when we do this, it can't erase content because the assembly still needs it. So you'll get this automatic table report that says what the operation was that was trying to be performed, what file it was trying to be performed on, and it's also reporting the fact that it couldn't be erased because it was still in use. So that's just a quick example of how to use the erase file command using tables, and look for some other examples on this.